Hello and welcome to another KYC Lookup video where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Today we are going to explain what companies look for at the time of hiring new AML KYC analysts. But before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. We also have a special announcement to make, so be sure to watch until the end to find out what it is. So, on to today's video. What is an anti-money laundering or know your customer analyst? Better known as an AML KYC analyst is an individual who works for a company in a regulated sector, who collects and reviews customer information in order to assess the money laundering, tax fraud, and terrorist financing risk, whether this is a potential or existing customer to a company. AML KYC analyst roles vary from junior positions, which don't require any work experience and are perfect for graduates who want to enter a regulated industry such as banking or financial services, to senior analysts who require to have years of AML experience and have the ability to review and assess customers which are predominantly high risk. Why are AML KYC analysts required? Companies in a regulated sector look for AML KYC analysts as a regulatory requirement to comply with anti-money laundering and counter-financing terrorism rules and regulations in the countries they operate. Non-compliance with the AML CFT regulations may result in financial penalties or imprisonment, depending on the nature and severity of the offence. Local regulators have the authority to wind up or restrict the operations of firms that are found guilty of wrongdoing, and may also recover funds and assets that are involved in money laundering offences via court or civil proceedings. AML compliance breaches may also result in significant reputational damage for the firms involved. Therefore, having the right level of trained KYC analysts is a vital part of any AML framework to work effectively. What does a day of an AML KYC analyst look like? The beauty of the role in an anti-money laundering team is that no 2 days are the same. AML KYC analysts' day vary from a number of tasks, but if trying to identify the main ones performed, they would be: analyse documents provided by clients, and advise whether further information or enhanced due diligence is required depending on the risk of the customer. Onboarding tasks, such as receiving and processing new customers. Drafting appropriate due diligence requests to be sent to prospective customers according to the type of customer and the risk they present. Liaise and communicate with the client-facing team and compliance teams. Develop and maintain a good understanding of anti-money laundering and financial crime legislation, and a comprehensive understanding of the company's due diligence requirements. Escalate complex issues and queries to the Senior Compliance Manager or the Money Laundering Reporting Officer, also known as the MLRO. Maintain a working understanding of the company's anti-money laundering and financial crime policies, and developing procedures to support these. Carry out due diligence using a wide range of databases and search facilities to identify politically exposed persons and those on the sanctions lists, such as the United Nations Security Council, OFAC, HMT, and the EU. Keep the client-facing or management updated of the onboarding of the new customer and managing expectations and highlighting any additional information required. Assist in monitoring compliance notifications regarding the ongoing monitoring of existing customers by managing adverse media, politically exposed person, or sanction hits. And point of contact for client-facing team who may have queries on potential new customers. What do companies look for at the time of hiring an AML KYC analyst? Companies at the time of hiring a new AML KYC analyst look for a number of qualities and abilities depending on the role available. A self-starter attitude, able to demonstrate good levels of initiative and motivation, but also work closely with other team members and displaying trust and loyalty. A good understanding of and experience in applying the money laundering framework and due diligence requirements within the countries where the company operates. Attention to detail and good organisational skills are essential. An ability to manage assigned tasks in an effective and timely manner. A proven ability to deal with confidential matters with discretion. Capacity to multitask and keep calm under pressure. A good working knowledge of Microsoft Office, for example, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and Outlook. And flexibility to work outside normal hours may be required from time to time. One of the main factors considered by hiring managers at the time of looking for an AML KYC analyst is looking for someone who will fit the team, comply with the company's ethos, and most importantly has the relevant experience required. Well, there you have it, a basic introduction to what is an AML KYC analyst, the work they do, and what companies look for at the time of hiring one. Please tell us in the comments section what is your interpretation of an AML KYC analyst and what other factors should be considered at the time of hiring one. Now for the special announcement mentioned at the start of the video. We are now launching our very own courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video. And if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.